In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image into a shape in Google Slides. This is a useful skill to have, especially if you want to create visually appealing presentations for work, school, or personal projects. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll be able to do this with ease and confidence. To begin, you'll want to open a Google Slides presentation where you plan to insert your image. If you haven't yet created a presentation, you can start a new one from your Google Drive. Once your slide deck is open, navigate to the slide where you want to add the image within a shape. You can either use an existing slide or add a new one by clicking on the plus icon at the top to ensure you have a fresh area to work with. Next, go to the menu at the top of the Google Slides interface, select the Insert option, and then hover over Shape. You will see a variety of shape categories, such as shapes, arrows, callouts, and equations. Choose the shape that best fits the aesthetic you're aiming for in your presentation. Once you click on your shape choice, move to the slide, click, and drag to draw the shape to your desired size. You can adjust the dimension later, so don't worry about getting it perfect right away. After drawing your shape, it's time to insert the image. Click on the shape to make sure it's selected, then go back to the top menu and click on Format Options. In the menu that appears on the right side of your screen, you'll want to locate and click on the image icon. From here, you have a variety of options to insert an image. You can upload one from your computer, search the web, utilize your Google Drive, or even retrieve an image from Google Photos. Once you've selected the image you want to use, it will fill the shape you previously created. If you find that the image doesn't fit quite right within the shape, don't worry. With the shape still selected, click Crop Image from the top toolbar, where you can adjust the size and positioning of the image within the bounds of the shape. This feature will ensure your image fits perfectly and enhances the overall design of your slide. Finally, feel free to add any text or other elements to your slide that complement your newly shaped image. You might want to experiment with colors, add borders, or play with the layering of different objects to achieve the look you desire. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted an image into a shape in Google Slides, giving your presentations a polished and unique look. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Give it a try and let your creativity shine in your next presentation.